here at the secret lab, we set out to create the most technologically advanced envelope in history.
Mix those up. The important thing is that you don't know which envelope is which.
We spent years in the lab creating pressure pads, electromagnetic fields, and hidden sensors.
You picked any card that you wanted to, you placed it in a random envelope.
We were about to give up until Nick and Dave came to us with an entirely new envelope system.
The cards were mixed under the table. You chose the 6 of clubs.
What?
So we asked them, how are you able to fit this many electronics into the envelopes? And their answer shocked us.
I got chills.
And they fit none. 0. No electronics whatsoever. So many years wasted. We're gonna play a game where your spectators can win money. They have 6 envelopes, they can choose any envelope at all that they want, and they place the money inside. They seal it, there's no way I could possibly know which envelope it is, and they get to shuffle all of the envelopes until they are happy. If I can't get the right envelope, they win all of my money. That's how right, or sure I am, that I'm going to get this right. Even though my back has been turned the entire time. The moment I turn around under all of these test conditions, I immediately know that envelope number 4 contains the money, keeping my wallet safe. The secret is so devious that the spectator does all the work for you.
It's almost, I'm gonna say, here. This should be it, so it probably should not be, no? 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 And no, okay. All right, just hold your hand in front of mine. Visualize the color. 7 of diamonds.
Oh my god!
Gamma is a utility device that allows you the freedom to perform how you want to, including mentalism routines, celebrity blinding, murder mystery, thought of card, bank night, and ESP predictions. Just go ahead and take any card at all that you want. Yeah, I won't look, and pick any envelope that's on the table and place that card inside. Make sure you seal it that way there's no way I could peek as to what card could possibly be inside of that envelope. Then shuffle all the envelopes, then lay all the envelopes back out on the table and let me know when you've done that. Now, right here, I have also a couple other cards. Now, these cards, of course, they match the ESP symbols here. All I'm gonna have you do now is just think of whichever one of those symbols your card that you're thinking of is in, okay? Instantly, you'll see that one of those symbols turns face down. Now, did you put it in the star?
Yeah.
Right here? And what was the card?
Jack of Hearts.
The Jack, oh, there it is, the Jack of Hearts. Well, wouldn't it be impossible if that is actually not the star, but also a Jack of Hearts? This is an entirely new system of envelopes that you'll swear uses electronics, but doesn't. It shouldn't be here. Okay, it's there. It's there. Are you thinking? Are you thinking of the card? The Jack of Spades. The Jack of Spades. Is that the one you're thinking of?
Yeah. Oh, hell no.
This is Gamma by David Jonathan and Nikolas Mavresis.